Okay, your website as a salesperson. One of the things we encourage our clients to do is demand more from their website. And something we've found helps with that is if they think about it a little bit more like it's a salesperson. So we run through an exercise with clients where they consider how they might manage a salesperson and then compare that with how they manage their website. And often when they see the differences, there's a bit of a light bulb moment. And for some people, this is the key idea that makes them view their website differently and start to actually understand its potential. So let's just consider what we might think about if we were hiring a salesperson. Perhaps we'd have an idea of an expected outcome, a certain number of leads or contract wins per week. And we'd also work out how we were going to measure that and track it. Perhaps we'd also want them to do better over time to continually improve. So we might organise training for them or have new assets produced, maybe new brochures or sign-up forms and so on. The point is, we're always tracking results and we have reporting and some kind of steps, so there's the opportunity for continuous improvement. A salesperson, of course, is an important investment, but then so is a website. Yet for some reason, many people we meet leave their website untouched for weeks or months or years in some cases. And some, when we ask, can't tell us how many leads their website got last week, nor what its conversion rate was last week. They don't really know if leads were up or down. And that's a giveaway that the website almost certainly isn't performing as well as it could. But what if we manage our website as if it's a salesperson? Well, for a start, we give it a target, perhaps a weekly target for leads generated, and the website has to report results every week so we know if it's hitting that target or not. We also need to support the website by giving it the assets it needs to generate leads or complete sales. So if it needs good video, we produce that. If it needs a scorecard, we create one. If it needs white paper campaigns to engage people, we provide those too. And finally, we don't leave it as is. We help it develop and improve every week, as we might do if we hired a salesperson. So we use conversion optimization techniques to help identify where the website could be doing better. And we make very regular improvements so that it just keeps performing better and better every month. And the end result of managing our website this way can be huge. Here's a typical scenario. This is a business that replaces its website every couple of years, perhaps because they feel it's become dated. They've decided it's ready for a refresh, so they redesign it. And they're probably quite happy initially every time they do that. But with this approach, a website has a pretty static conversion rate until it's replaced, when the conversion rate hopefully goes up. And maybe it does go up, maybe it doesn't. And actually, an inquiry we often get is somebody saying, I just want to get my website performing like it used to, because since we replaced it, leads have just tailed off. But when we treat the website like a salesperson with weekly reporting of results, and when we give the website new marketing assets regularly and have a pattern of continuous improvement, then conversion rates just incrementally increase. And when we meet the 20% of people who are really delighted with what the website is giving them, they're always doing this ongoing activity, constantly pushing results upwards. Just 1% better every week compounds over time. In fact, all those 1% improvements add up to tens of or hundreds of thousands of pounds in some cases of additional income. So the food for thought here is, do you tend to think of your website like it's an online brochure? And if you do, what would happen if you thought of it more like it was a salesperson? What new ideas would that open up, and what different decisions might you take to develop your website?